A very warm welcome to our esteemed Principal Ma'am, Academic Head Ma'am, all respected teachers and my dear students. Today we have gathered here to celebrate a momentous occasion, the investiture ceremony of our school.
The investiture ceremony is not just an event, it is a tradition that signifies the trust and confidence that we repose in our newly appointed leaders. This ceremony marks a very significant beginning of a new chapter in the lives of our students. It is a day when we entrust our young leaders with responsibilities and expect them to uphold the values and principles of our school.
To begin this auspicious event, I request our Principal Ma'am and our Academic Head Ma'am to come forward for the lighting of the lamp. Lighting the lamp symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and bringing of light and knowledge.
Been the guiding light of the school. With her unwavering dedication and commitment, she has inspired us all to reach new heights. So my dear students and my dear friends, it is my privilege to invite our beloved Principal Ma'am to grace the stage by her words.
Good morning, children. Good morning, teachers.
Good morning.
Teachers, it's now time for teachers. Let them say good morning. Yes? So, a very good morning to all of you here. It's given me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this year's investiture ceremony. Today is a significant day in the academic calendar of Vidyashram Public School as we recognize and honor the newly elected leaders of our students' body. The investiture ceremony is more than a ritual. It is a celebration of our students' potential and commitment. To the newly appointed Student Council, I extend my heartfelt congratulations. You have been entrusted with the important task of leading your peers and representing the student body. This is not just an elite honor, but a responsibility that requires dedication, compassion, and a sense of duty. Remember, leadership is not about power or position. It is about making a positive impact, inspiring others, and being a role model. As you take on this new role, I encourage you to embrace the values of our school: respect, resilience, and responsibility. Lead with integrity and strive to foster a sense of unity and cooperation. In doing so, you will not only grow as individual but also contribute to the betterment of our school community. In conclusion, I would like to remind our student leaders that the journey ahead will be filled with challenges and opportunities. Face them with courage and wisdom. And always remember that you are not alone. You have the support of your peers, your teachers, and the entire school community. Once again, congratulations to our new Student Council, and I have full confidence in your abilities and look forward to witnessing the positive change you will bring to our school. Let's make this academic year a memorable and fruitful one. Thank you and best wishes to you all. Children, I have one question. Why we all have gathered here today? Do you know that? Yes, speak. If you know, please answer me. For investiture ceremony. What is investiture ceremony? What do you mean by that? What are we going to do today? क्या करेंगे आज हम? Speak from your own place only. You can stand up and say answer. We are going to honor the head boy and head girl, and it has been they have been selected by your. Who have been selected? Who had selected those leaders? किसने selection किया था उनका? Only Parminder sir. Your teachers, because they were doing good in academics as well as in CCA, means co-curricular activities. Overall, they are doing excellent work. That is why they have been opted, they have been elected for this post. Okay, is it clear to you all? समझ आया उनको क्यों selection हुआ? And don't be disappointed. You will also get to become the class monitor and other opportunities you are going to get in this academic year. Okay, children? Clear? Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable insights.
Let us bow our heads to God and ask Him to shower His blessings on our future leaders and give them strength to perform their responsibilities. Now I invite the students of class 4 to come forward and start the prayer service. This service is a moment for us to reflect and seek blessings for the success of our new leaders.
When upon life's billows you are tempted,
Almighty Father, we pray that our school leaders may guide the students carefully and encourage them to lay out the goal and priority. Your response, oh Lord, hear our prayer.
count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God has done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done.
May our leaders be a light to others, watch over them, and protect them from negative influences. Your response, oh Lord, hear our prayer.
Many blessings, every doubt will fly, and you will be singing as the days go by.
Lord our Father, we pray that our leaders be successful in all the tasks they do for the betterment of our school. Your response, oh Lord, hear our prayer.
Your blessings, name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done. When you look at others with their lands and gold, think that Christ has promised you his wealth untold. Count your many blessings, money cannot buy. Lord in heaven, for your
Merciful Lord, we pray that our leaders may carry on their duties faithfully, dedicatedly, and cheerfully. Your response, oh Lord, hear our prayer.
name them one by one. Count your many blessings, see what God has done. So amid the conflict, whether great or small, do not be discouraged, God is over all. Count your many blessings, angels
a holistic approach to education, our students will now showcase their talents in a mesmerizing rhythmic yoga performance. Let's give them a big round of applause.
ऊंचे रहे जो तेरे कद से इरादे, तो ये फलक मगरूर
है। ठान लिया हमने सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना है। ठान लिया हमने सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना
है। ठान लिया ठान लिया, ऊंचे रहे जो तेरे कद से इरादे, तो ये फलक मगरूर बेबस होके तेरे आगे दिखेगा मजबूर। तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना ना ना, तुम ताना ना 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 दोरे। तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना तुम ताना ना ना ना, तुम ताना ना 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 दोरे। जान लेके किस्मत में बांटे हैं राहों में कांटे हैं, किस्मत में बांटे हैं राहों में कांटे हैं। रेगिस्तानों में आग है जितनी है, लहू खोलता मेरा इन रगों में, फिर भी खाकसारों को खाक ही काफी। रात मुझको है खामोशी मेरी,
बेजुबां कब से मैं रहा, बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा। बेजुबां कब से मैं रहा, बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा।
जान लेके किस्मत में बांटे हैं राहों में कांटे हैं, किस्मत में बांटे हैं राहों में कांटे हैं।
सौ सवाल है, सौ है लानतें मेरे तो नाम पे लगी है काली की।
लाख सपनों की राख हाथों में, सुनी आंखों में जलती उम्मीद है, आखिरी ना मिला मौका ना मिली माफी, कह दो कितनी सजा और बाकी।
बेजुबां कब से मैं रहा, बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा। बेजुबां कब से मैं रहा, बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा।
Wow, what a wonderful performance. Give them a big round of applause.
The essence of leadership lies in service and responsibility. With great pride and honor, we present our newly appointed student leaders who will steer Vidya Ashram Public School towards success. I request Parminder sir and his team to lead the march past and fix the school and house flags. I request our head boy and head girl to please come forward and march towards the stage. I request our ministers to please come forward.
From your left, straight march.
Red House represents energy, passion, and courage. Members of the Red House are encouraged to be bold, enthusiastic, and
Krishna House, from your left to the position, straight march. Right turn. From your left, straight march. Right turn. Stand at ease. Kaveri House, attention! From your left, straight march.
Blue House reflects calmness, intelligence, and trust. The Blue House promotes wisdom, integrity, and a sense of calm and rationality.
From your left to the position, straight march. Right turn. From your left, straight march. Right turn. Stand at ease.
Now I request captains of Greenhouse,
Yamuna House, attention! From your left, straight march.
Green House symbolizes growth, harmony, and freshness. Students in the Green House are encouraged to value nature, cooperation, and sustainability.
From your left to the position, straight march. Right turn. From your left, straight march. Right turn. Stand at ease. Ganga House, attention. From your left, straight march.
Yellow House represents happiness, creativity, and optimism. Members of the Yellow House are inspired to be joyful, imaginative, and positive.
the position, straight march. Right turn. Right turn. Stand at ease.
Now I request our school secretary, Mrs. Pallavi Jain ma'am, to please come forward and pin the badges to our head boy, our head girl and our ministers. I also request Suman ma'am and Vishakha ma'am to please come forward with the badges and sashes. Head boy, Bhumik Manihar of 4th F.
Bhumik is a lovely, well-disciplined and sensible child. His calm, friendly nature and ever-smiling face always make others happy and motivated. He is jolly, easygoing and mingles with all his peer group. His hobbies are playing badminton, dancing and sharing new information with his friends. He follows classroom rules, has a well-developed vocabulary. Next is head girl of the school, Jinisha Gaur of 4B.
Jinisha sets an example of excellence in behavior and cooperation. She conducts herself with maturity and is accountable and responsible. She is an independent thinker who is not afraid to express her opinions. She is thoughtful in interaction with others and holds many valid interests. She approaches everything with a positive, versatile attitude and is very innovative and creative. Now, our cultural minister, Myra Ratty of 4th C.
Myra is a talented and a wonderful artist. She actively participates in co-curricular activities. She works democratically and offers constructive suggestions to peers to enhance their work. She consistently demonstrates enthusiasm for learning. She displays an excellent attitude Now as Cleanliness Minister, Lakshit Soni of 4th C.
Lakshit has incredible self-discipline and is exceptionally organized. He believes cleanliness is next to godliness and always generates neat and careful work. He is thoughtful in interactions with others. He listens attentively when others are speaking. Now, our Discipline Minister, Krishna Suthar of 4th B.
Krishna is a dedicated student who shows excellent efforts with daily work and school activities. He shows responsibility and follows directions precisely and attentively. He is kind and helpful towards everyone. He is a trustworthy child who is doing well in all areas. He respects appropriately when corrected.
Thank you, ma'am, for honoring our newly appointed student leaders with their badges and sashes.
Now I request Principal Ma'am to please come forward and pin the badges to our house captains.
Now, captains of Krishna House, Soumya of 1st D.
Soumya is an enthusiastic, energetic and contagious girl. Her determination and perseverance are an inspiration to everyone around her. You are not just a student, you are a leader, a friend, and a ray of sunshine in our school. She listens attentively when others are speaking. Karthik Tandi of 2nd D.
Karthik is a well-mannered child. He has the ability to maintain the discipline and class. He gives respect to each and everyone, whosoever he meets, displays an excellent attitude, has a well-developed sense of humor, takes responsibility for their learning, adapts easily during times of transition. Vanshika Rathore of 3rd F.
Vanshika is a conscientious and hard-working student. She has an impressive understanding and depth of knowledge about her interests. Vanshika displays good citizenship by assisting other students. She is also a talented artist. Shubhrang Mishra of 4th E.
Shubhrang is very diligent, obedient, and responsible person. He is always helpful towards his peer group and takes initiative to help them, and bides huge respect towards his teachers. He is constantly evolving and improving himself to become a better person. He is always ready to take his responsibilities with utmost care. Now, captains of Kaveri House, Kartikeya Singh Rathore of 1st B.
Kartikeya is a confident house captain. He is always well presented in uniform and appearance. He is able to liaise and converse with staff and students. He desires to act responsibly to be a role model for other students. Has a well-developed vocabulary. He is thoughtful in interactions with others. He listens attentively when others are speaking and he responds appropriately when corrected. Toshani Tak of 2nd D.
Toshani is a smart and soft-spoken child. She is very eager to learn new things and always actively participates in all activities which contributes positive learning to her, seeks responsibilities and follows through. She shows enthusiasm for classroom activities. Yashashvi Dadij of 3rd F.
Yashashvi is thoughtful and kind in her interactions with others. She is able to cooperate and work well with any of the other students in the class. She demonstrates her manners on a daily basis and is always respectful. She seeks responsibilities and follows through. She has a well-developed sense of humor. Mahavir Singh of 4th D.
Mahavir is an excellent performer. He consistently excels in his studies, participates actively in class discussion. His determination and positive attitude inspire his peers to do their best as well, having ability to balance his responsibilities. I request our academic head ma'am to please come forward and pin the badges to our other leaders.
He inspires and guides his peers, exhibits strong communication skills, and listens attentively to others. He demonstrates integrity by consistently acting in accordance with ethical principles and maintaining honesty in his dealings. He takes initiative to address issues and improves the discipline. Harshvardhan Singh of 2nd B.
Harshvardhan is an enthusiastic child. He is always eager to take charge of any task allotted to him. He is a ball of energy and joy. His confidence and determination are admirable. He conducts others with maturity. He follows classroom rules. He has a well-developed vocabulary. He is thoughtful in interactions with others. Tikshna Tawar of 3rd C.
Tikshna is an exceptionally dutiful student, demonstrating intelligence and brilliance in her work. Her regular attendance and adherence to the teacher's instructions are commendable. She consistently maintains discipline. She is always well dressed, exemplifies sincerity in all her endeavor. Divyanshi of 4th E.
Divyanshi is very active, responsible, and is always ready to help others. As a young budding leader, she knows her responsibilities very well and is always ready to execute the responsibilities given to her. She is full of compassion towards the duties given to her. Thank you, Shashi ma'am. Now I request our academic head ma'am, Mrs. Savita ma'am, to please come forward and pin the badges to our Ganga House captains. Captains of Ganga House, Devanjana Kavya of 1st E.
Devanjana is an exceptional student who embodies the essence of academic brilliance and dedication. She consistently excels in every aspect with keen intellect and curiosity. Her passion for learning is matched by her willingness to help and inspire peers. She is always eager to take on challenges. She approaches every task with unwavering determination. Ume Aman Mail of 2nd A.
Ume is a confident and self-esteemed child. His ability to stay on track and avoid distraction is impressive. She is a focus master. We admire her dedication and perseverance, consistently demonstrates enthusiasm for learning, displays an excellent attitude. She has a well-developed sense of humor. Hardika Singh of 3rd F.
Hardika is an enthusiastic learner who seems to enjoy school. She is concerned about the feelings of her peers. She always performs her classroom tasks as well as other co-curricular activities faithfully. She is a valued member of the class. She does not give up when facing a task that is difficult and always does her best. Manvi Manihar of 4th D.
Manvi is a quiet and obedient child. She is full of enthusiasm and curiosity. She is always willing to help others and share their knowledge, making her a valuable asset to the class. She also actively engages in extracurricular activities and community service. Thank you so much, Savita ma'am, for honoring our newly appointed house captains. Now I request the respective house teachers to come forward and pin the badges to the house in charges.
House in charges of Krishna House.
Rohit of 2nd F. Now in charges from grade 3, Red House.
Nityansh Singh of 3rd A.
Carol Solanki of 3rd B.
Pradeepti Pandit of 3rd C.
Swastika Vaishnav of 3rd F. Now in charges from grade 4.
In charges of Red House from grade 4. Rudraksh Lohia, 4th A.
Divyanka of 4th B.
Riyansh Tapadia of 4th C.
Divyam Lunkar of 4th D.
Disha Chaudhary of 4th E.
Naruti Chauhan, 4th F. Now in charges from Ganga House, Kaveri House,
Krishna Soni from 2nd A.
Kalpa Bhati of 2nd B.
Pravya Chaudhary of 2nd C.
Manasvi of 2nd D.
Moksha Bafna of 2nd E.
Vanshman Singh of 2nd F. Now in charges from grade 3.
Kaveri House. Hardika Chauhan of 3rd A.
Of 3rd D.
Lavisha Chaudhary of 3rd E.
And Mansik Tag of 3rd F.
Now from grade 4, Kaveri House.
Of row B.
Aditi Bhati 4th C.
Arnav Parihar of 3rd 4th D. Daksh Kachawa 2nd B.
Rudra Pratap Singh Chauhan 2nd C.
Rishi Raj Singh 2nd D.
Himanshu Vishnoi 2nd E.
And Divyanshi of 2nd F.
Now from grade 3, Yamuna House, Shrishti Jain 3rd A.
Monil Tiwari, 3rd B.
Chirag Thakur, 3rd C.
Angel Bhati, 3rd D.
Jian Soni of 3rd E.
Nehal, 3rd F.
Now from grade 4, Yamuna House, Priyal Sikawat, 4th A.
Dhruvi Bam, 4th B.
Harsh Nandini Rathod, 4th C.
Palak Parihar, 4th D.
Sanvi of 4th E.
Chirag Jain, 4th F. Now in charges of Ganga House, please stand up. Devishpal Singh, 2nd B.
Manvik Godara, 2nd C.
Khanak, 2nd D.
Vidhi Rathod, 2nd E.
And Praveen, 2nd F.
Now from grade 3, Ganga House, Manvardhan Singh, 3rd A.
Nikunj Lohia, 3rd B.
Darsh Pungalia, 3rd C.
Jayavardhan Singh Joda, 3rd D.
Darshan Parihar, 3rd E.
Kushal Mota, 3rd F.
Now from grade 4, house in charges of Ganga House, Rupal Rathod, 4th A.
Raghav Soni, 4th B.
Neghar Tatia, 4th C.
Mokshika Rathi, 4th D.
Vihan Borana, 4th E.
Arushi Parihar, 4th F.
Thank you teachers and thank you dear students. Please have a seat. Okay. Commitment to guiding and inspiring others towards achieving common goals. Now I invite our principal ma'am on the stage to administer the oath, and I request our student leaders to take the oath, pledging their allegiance to their roles and responsibilities. Please raise your right hand and repeat after ma'am. Keep your right hand like this.
Ready, children? We, the students of VPS, hereby swear to be responsible, respectful, and dedicated in our roles as leaders. We will uphold integrity, foster teamwork, and inspire others to excel with commitment and enthusiasm. We pledge to make a positive difference in our school and community. We shall respect all the rules and regulations of the school and abide by the school motto. Jai Hind.
Congratulations to all our student leaders. We wish you all the very best and pray to Lord that you will take care of the responsibility diligently. We trust you will uphold the values of Vidya Ashram Public School and inspires your peers to strive for excellence. Let us stand united as we sing our school anthem. It represents our identity, our values and our spirit. It unites us as a community and reminds us of our shared Thank you, students.
Dear students, today as you wear these badges and sashes, remember that they are not just pieces of metal or fabric. They represent the faith that the school has placed in you. They are symbols of your duty, responsibility and commitment to making our school a better place.
Being a leader is not just about holding a position or wearing a badge. It is about setting an example for others to follow. It is about being dutiful, responsible, and working tirelessly towards the betterment of the school community. These qualities will not only help you excel in your roles, but will also prepare you for your future challenges in life.
Now I invite our Honorable School Secretary Ma'am to grace the stage by her inspiring words of wisdom with us.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Enjoying the summer? A lot? Okay, congratulations all the investor. This ceremony marks a new chapter of the leadership responsibility and embrace your roles with a pride, integrity and commitment, positive change. We believe the potential and look forward for the contribution to our school community. Congratulations to all the responsible students. I hope you will take the responsibilities and do it to the fullest. Sure? Cheers to the cheerleaders.
Thank you.